Hello everybody, after paying 30 rupees, now I am here to show you all the kind of games that what the Saalumarada Thimmakka place has. And yes, here we go. The first one is you have got horse which has spring, and children are playing over there, and some of the adults also were playing when I come for the first time. And then come here, we have two different types of swings. This is in height wise, this is at the low, and there is another one which is at the high, and this is something I found really very interesting. Now please come with me. I'm trying to climb this. I will try to climb this. Let's see whether I can do this or not. Oh yeah, yes, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Yes. All right. So from here, again, I should come back. I'm coming back. All right. So this is exciting. After some time, you know, you can come here and play. Let's go for some other. There are some more. All right, so there are some two ladies sitting here. Otherwise, I would have played this as well. Well, so this is another one exciting place. My wife and sister, they are sitting there. This is a small one where I can try to play this. Oh. There are many ropes here. You should play like this. Exciting. It is exciting for me. I hope to viewer also. And I did this. I came here and I asked, okay, so there's another one place. This is even for adults and for young people also. It's written here for 5 minutes. For kids, it's 20 rupees, and for adults, it is 30 rupees. All right. So come here. We have. This is another one. You need to just. No, I can't do this. Come on, I'll show you another one. There's a lot of colors here. All the woods are made by colors. Let me see whether I can do this in here. Okay, I'm here. I'm trying to do it. I can do it. Okay, this is how it should be. All right, this is exciting. Looks dangerous, but not dangerous as it looks. All right, there are so many places yet where we can play. Let's see where else I can go. Come on, come on, come on. Run with me. Run with me. This is a kind of puzzle they have organized. Okay. This, we have to play like this. While my son plays this, not I am. Okay. All right, this is another one. Let's see whether I can do this. I should not fall anywhere. Oh my God. This looks easy, but not easy. Yeah, I did it. This is for small children. I want to become a child for a while. Ooh. Ooh. Enough. Okay. What else? Shall I play this? No. There are many in Hubli like that. I want to go here on top and see what's there available here. I don't think so. There is to play something. There is nothing to play. But you have a nice place. You can sleep here for a while. Oh. Come up and show this. You feel kind of amazing, relaxing. Well, I just love this. All right, let's see. I want to get down. What else is there available? Okay. Well, as the child is saying, this is open up to 5:30. There are many other games. Oh, this is something really amazing. I want to see this.